हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं शैलेंद्र। इसके इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी स्टूडियो में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। सबसे पहले स्वतंत्रता दिवस की ढेर सारी आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं। आज हमने जो डिक्टेशन उठाया है, जो डिक्टेशन है आपका हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे है, उसमें 120 वर्ड पर मिनट रहेगा WPM। और इसमें कुछ हार्ड वर्ड हैं, मैं उसमें बना देता हूँ, आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, बना लीजिए, उसको मैं डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करता हूँ। ठीक, देखिए हैप्पी लिखा है ना, ऑलरेडी आप जान रहे होंगे क्योंकि आप लोग स्पीडर हैं। ये इंडिपेंडेंस हो गया, ये आपका हैप्पी लिखा है, और ये आपका डे हो गया। आप लोग समझ रहे हैं। थोड़ा कुछ है इसमें जो हार्ड वर्ड हैं, जैसे एक एनिवर्सरी है और एक इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी, ये आपके वर्ड मिलेंगे अभी। एनिवर्सरी, एनिवर्सरी, एनिवर्सरी आपकी ये आउटलाइन बनेगी। इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी, इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी, आर्मी आपकी ऐसे बनेगी, थोड़ा सा इंडियन कर देंगे फिर नेशनल कर देंगे, ये आउटलाइन बन गई आपकी इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी। इसमें प्रॉपर डैश लगाएंगे क्योंकि वर्ड्स कैपिटल लिखे जाएंगे। तो चलिए मैटर लिए तैयार हो जाए। 500 वर्ड बोलेंगे, 120 वर्ड पर मिनट के हिसाब से। ठीक, ज्यादा मैटर नहीं बोलेंगे आज। गेट रेडी, स्टार्ट। सर, each anniversary of independence is sacred to the country. On each anniversary, we remember our freedom fighters. On this day, we recall the builders of modern India. Today, standing on the sacred soil of Red Fort, I recall 1857 when our first freedom fighters came to this Red Fort. I recall 1945 when soldiers of the Indian National Army were prosecuted here. Their only crime was that they fought for the freedom of the motherland. In 1947, at this very place, Pandit Ji hoisted the flag of independent India. Today, when we are assembled here, we remember the ideals, the principles, the values and the dreams which inspired our freedom fighters to win freedom for the country. Today, all of us assembled here dedicated ourselves to that cause. On this 4th anniversary, we naturally think not only of the events of the last 1 year, but of the last 14 years. At the same time, we look forward to the future as well. Our elders got us freedom and entrusted us with the responsibility of safeguarding and maintaining that freedom. It is our responsibility to protect it. During these 4 decades, we faced many situations, a number of the threats and also pressures. We faced conspiracies, we faced aggressions. We did not bend, we protected the unity and integrity of India with our courage, our blood and our sacrifices. We showed to the world that India's strong India is the one and it cannot be divided. We demonstrated to the world that no one can insult us again. We made it clear that nobody can weaken the unity of India. We made it evident that no sacrifice is too big for the security of our country, the independence of our country, and the unity of our country. No amount of labor, no amount of sacrifice is too high a price to pay for this purpose. Our soldiers, our officers give the best years of their lives to guard our frontiers and defend us. In return, we look after them, we provide them with the best of weaponry and ammunition. We see to it that they get the best tools. We are placed to do so. The freedom of India means the freedom of the people. The freedom of India means that we should strengthen the roots of democracy and hold impartial election in which every citizen can participate. We conduct parliament in such a way that the voice of the people of India is listened to and which looks after and builds the future of the country. The meaning of free India is that it has an independent judiciary and rule of law. Free India means that it has a free and unfettered press. But it is not so easy to protect democracy, especially when we find that there are people who endanger our freedom through irresponsibility and indiscipline, who show disrespect to the constitutions and its institutions through their behavior. Still, we have demonstrated that the roots of democracy in our country are deep. तो आपने देखा मैंने 500 वर्ड बोल डाला मैटर, तो मैंने इसमें जो बीच बीच में रुक रहा था ना, तो मैं वो फुल स्टॉप और पैराग्राफ के लिए फुल स्टॉप के लिए कुछ पल के लिए मैं रुक रहा था, आपको रिलायंस में करा रहा था। देखिए एसएससी और हाईकोर्ट में ऐसे एग्जाम डिक्टेशन बोले जाते हैं, तो मैं रुक रहा था ताकि आप फुल स्टॉप पैराग्राफ लगा लेना। तो थैंक्स फॉर माय वाचिंग वीडियो।